Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the baritone part for eKWANONGOMA. The rhythm goes like this. Straight on the beat. Right. So the notes are C on your left, followed by E, F, and then G, and then this other C on your right, and then F, and then you end on G. One more time, C, E, F, G, and then C, F, and then end on G. Now, you're going to play the first C 2 times. You go 1, 2, and then E once, F once, G 4 times. Move to your right, C 3 times, F once, G 4 times. All right, one more time. C on your left 2 times, E once, F once, G 4 times. C on your right 3 times, F once, G 4 times. Let's put that together. So, as you can see, I'm alternating my hands throughout. 1, 2. All right, so that is the first part for the piece eKWANONGOMA. Let's move on to the next part. This is a response. So you no longer play all the notes, you're just going to respond to the piccolo. And these are the notes that you play. You're going to go F, G, followed by G, C. And you play the double Cs, all right? F, G, G, C. F, G, G, C. F, G. So this is the call. G, C. F, G, G, C. Now I'm going to put both parts together. I'll play the first part twice, followed by the second part twice. Right, so those are the 2 parts for the piece eKWANONGOMA. Enjoy learning the parts. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.